start by inserting the pole into the main body. Push the pole down until you hear a click. Remove the clean water tank from the front of the body by pulling up. Unscrew the tank cap. Fill the water to the water line. Then, top it off with the Shark Hydro Multi-Surface Concentrate up to the max fill line. Screw the cap back on and insert the clean water tank back into the unit until you hear a click. When you are ready to clean, take the HydroDuo off the charging dock. Press the power button to turn on your HydroDuo. The battery lights will blink 3 times, then display your HydroDuo's battery life. To begin cleaning, place your foot on the nozzle and pull the handle back. Once the unit is taken out of upright lock mode, the brush roll will begin spinning. To pick up debris, slowly guide the unit over the intended area. For mopping and stain cleaning, use the trigger on the handle to spray solution onto the floor in front of you. After use, press the power button to turn off the HydroDuo. Then return the unit to the upright lock position and place the unit back on the charging dock.